Changing the language in the Shopify app can help you navigate the platform more comfortably. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings. Step 1. Open the Shopify app. Launch the Shopify app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the settings icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the app. This will take you to the settings menu where you can customize various aspects of your account. Step 3. Select language. In the settings menu, look for the language option. Tap on it to view the available languages that you can choose from. Step 4. Choose your preferred language. Scroll through the list of languages and select your preferred language. This will change the app's interface to the language you selected. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your preferred language, make sure to save your changes. Exit the settings menu and the app should now display in the new language. Now you're all set to use the Shopify app in your preferred language. Enjoy managing your store with ease.